Right folks, we're going to do this fence and we're doing a 6 and a 4 inch board with this. Now what we do is, there's the 6 and the 4 inch boards up there, and we just do about a 10mm gap. Now this is the trick I'm going to show you today. Now what you do is, you're working away yourself, you get a spacer and you measure all your proportions out. You put that in there like that, put the screw lower, a tickle lower, right? Just tack it thin, just tack it like that. Now we're going up a gradient here, and the reason we're going up a gradient because the garden's a gradient. If you start at level, it wouldn't work, right? Now this is in there like that, so then we get, and then we just get a screw. Right, now the midges here today is terrible. I've got my cream on and everything. I'm actually trying to put it in my mouth, but that's another story. It's like coos, you know what. Anyway, never mind, it's there. Right, you take that out, put that there. Now you've already put that one on. See that? Because we're going up a gradient, and there you go, that sits perfect. We want to see how the garden goes up that way, so we're going with the contour of the ground, right? And we've got the kickboard on. And that's it. And then what we do, we come here now, and then we'll just saw that wee bit off, it's perfect. And if you notice, we've worked out our proportions. We'll put the top rail on, we've put the top, because we've cut all the posts to the perfection, so that they're all the same level. These boards come away, this is fast set cement, it takes 15 to 30 minutes. That was never done about 15 minutes ago. Take that off, and that's it. And that's it. Cheerio. Right, and that'll go in the front. No waste. Right, now. So there you go. The tapping wheel, you see the tapping wheel. And we're going with the contour of the ground. Right? This garden goes down. If you look there, next door garden, see it runs down. So we're doing that so that runs with the garden. Right. Now when I'm on the subject, look, midges everywhere, we're having a cream on and everything, and somebody stole my mask. Somebody's did a lot better looking than that mask in a day than normal, but never mind, that's another story for another day. I keep saying that, another story for another day. But one thing I want to say to you, see any questions you've got or any queries about fencing, feel free to put it below this post and ask me questions like to this, about these kind of things, how we the posts in, the mixture of concrete we use, the depths we go for different types of heights of fences, and so on and so on. Everything and any questions, just ask us, feel free, because the mighty, remember, the mighty WS is maybe flea bitten today with the midges, but we'll answer your questions. So see you all later, and thank you, by the way, to all my new followers. We're near the 10,000 mark, 10,000, doing well, Willie. See you all later on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and anything else you lift your hands to.